In this video, we are going to talk about the history and evolution of Java. Origin of Java. Java has a fascinating story. It was created in the early 1990s by James Gosling and a team of engineers at Sun Microsystem. Originally, it started as a part of something called Green Project. The goal was to create software for consumer devices like interactive TVs and set-top boxes. Believe it or not, Java wasn't always called Java. The language was first named Oak, after an oak tree that stood outside James Gosling's office window. But eventually, they discovered that name Oak was already taken, so they changed it to Java, inspired by coffee, since developer consumed plenty of it while coding. Initial release. Java was officially released to the public in 1995. One of the biggest innovation was that Java programs could run on any device that had the Java Virtual Machine or JVM. This gave birth to Java's famous slogan, Write once, run anywhere. Let's see Java's growth and key milestones. Over the years, Java has gone through many versions and improvements. Let's look at some of the highlights. In 1996, Java Development Kit 1.0 was released. This allowed developers to build basic Java programs and applets for web browsers. By 1997 and 1998, Java 1.1 and Java 1.2 introduced new features like inner classes, JDBC for connecting to databases, and the Swing toolkit for creating graphical user interfaces. In the early 2000s, Java 1.3 and 1.4 focused on better performance, security, and new input output features. In 2004, Java 5, also known as 1.5, was a huge update. It introduced generics for type safety, annotations for adding metadata to code, enumerations, and enhanced for loop, which makes looping through collections easier. 2006 brought Java 6 with more performance improvements and better integration with desktop applications. 2011 saw the release of Java 7, adding things like the try with resources statement and the diamond operator. 2014 was a significant year with Java 8. It introduced the Lambda expressions, the powerful Streams API, the modern data and time API, and default methods in interfaces. In 2017, Java 9 introduced the module system, also called Project Jigsaw, which helps developers modularize large applications for better maintainability. Java's new release cadence. Starting in 2018, Oracle changed how Java released. Instead of waiting years between updates, they moved to 6-month release cycle. This means new features and improvements come out much more frequently. Some recent milestones include Java 11 in 2018, which became the next long-term support release after Java 8. Java 17 in 2021, bringing more new features and becoming another long-term support version. And versions like Java 21 and beyond continue to add performance improvements, new language features, and more efficient garbage collection. Java's role in technology. Java's role has expanded tremendously over the decades. Originally designed for consumer electronics, it quickly became popular for web applications, mobile development, especially Android apps, enterprise applications in banking, finance, and large businesses, cloud computing, scientific and big data applications. Java's flexibility, security, and platform independence have made it cornerstone for modern software development. Java's community and ecosystem. Java has one of the world's largest programming communities. Countless libraries, frameworks, and tools have been built around Java, such as the Spring Framework for enterprise development, Hibernate for database management, Maven and Gradle for build automation, and many powerful Apache libraries. Also, the Java Community Process or JCP allows developers, companies, and experts to propose and influence changes to the language. Why Java continues to thrive? So, why is Java still going strong after nearly 30 years? It's regularly updated with modern features, it's stable and backward compatible, it's used across countless industries, and there is a massive community of developers and resources worldwide.